To log into LimeRoad Seller Panel, go to vendor.runkroot.com. Go to Seller Portal. Click here on Manage Catalog to check if your brand name is correct. Now go to Upload Edit Catalog right below Manage Catalog. Click on Download the Excel file on left hand side. This is how a box will appear to download category-wise listing format. For example, we are downloading the file for dresses here. We have selected this classification for the same. Now you have to click Download. Open the downloaded file. Now Dresses tab. Fill in this sheet according to column headers. Make sure to select from drop-downs only, just like we are doing it here for size, color and inventory. Green color columns are mandatory to fill and pink ones are optional. However, image links are necessary even if they are in pink headers. Also, don't change column or row size to upload the file successfully. Once the sheet is filled, save the file. Now go back to Seller Portal and click Add Edit Products in green color and upload the file. SKUs are uploaded successfully, which you can clearly see in green boxes. If you have any other queries, write us at live2site@limeroad.com. Thank you.